Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we'll see how to apply stickers and videos. So you have to tap on sticker and then you can get any sticker online from your phone. I'm selecting the subscribe. You can apply the different motion effects to this sticker. You can place on as per your requirement on your video. You can import from your mobile phone gallery. Then you can star market. These are my some favorite stickers. You can create their folders and use it whenever required. Also you can import a video directly to your existing video timeline, and you can set the video also into different style, arrange it into your own way, left, right, top, bottom, and you can crop that video and arrange it the way you want. If you feel this is helpful for us or quick tutorial, must follow. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.